Hi everyone. It's been about 3 months now, and since 39 subscribers, I have increased to about 46 subscribers right now. It's I have gained seven more people who will love to see me again in the videos. This last 2 months had been a little hectic for me because there were a lot of work pressures in my own forum, but I have decided to come down with few more videos again. Only thing to come back today is that it's been 3 months. I've sticked around with this making videos, this concept of entertaining people or making people knowledgeable in a lot of angles. Yes, I could not upload a lot of contents. I have scripted it down. I have notes on it. I'm going to upload it very soon. I'm actually and honestly not getting so much of time to sit into my laptop and edit things and upload things. But this was a wonderful journey. It still is a wonderful journey for me, and I hope to continue this being stronger and I will progress slowly. So I don't the subscriber doesn't matters me right now. It's how I want to connect with you slowly and steadily. Things are going to settle down and things are going to improve in my contents and videos. So yes, 3 months for supporting me. I am actually thankful to you for being a support, for watching my videos, and love you all. And my only concern is coming today is that you should keep on doing your contents. You should keep on doing your homeworks on whatever you want to do it, and please keep on posting your videos because there are so many people watching you, and the world is watching you, so you should give good contents. Do not be demotivated. Keep yourself in a positive forum. There should be positive vibes around. There should be good peoples around, and keep on posting good contents. So this is a suggestion. This is a request, and time will heal a lot of things, and I hope I will also keep on posting some good entertaining videos or some content which will like you. Uh, this is to come, and thank you for being with me for this 3 months. As I promised before, that I'm going to post my videos every month with whatever subscribers I have gained, whatever uh, things I have done. I will keep on doing it. I'll keep on. This is a promise to you, and I hope I can live up to my promises. So, see you soon. Take care. Bye bye, and thank you so much for loving me and being with me. Do subscribe with my in my next videos, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.